Okay, here's the fender cutout. I got this side finished, but I have one regret to it. Got in a rush and kind of warped things just a little bit, so I had to use a little Bondo. But one thing I didn't do with this joint here was I didn't back it up, reinforce it, so it's a little bit soft, bouncy, but it'll be fine. This one, I put a little reinforcement under it to stiffen it up. That should be a lot better. Okay, so there's the frame of the fender. Under extension. So, and this side will be finished. Okay, so here's the finished flat fenders on the front. Hate to say it, but because of a less than quality weld job I did, I had to use some body filler to finish it out, but Monster liner will cover all that and hopefully be durable. So, and here's the back. Got finished with the passenger side frame. Still have to weld the sheet metal to it. Finish welding up the rest of this, but the back ones are bolt on, so I can pull it off to weld and take care of it. So it's coming along. Oh, I put the flush mount tail lights in the back. Kind of pleased with how it turned out. So anyway, project moving. Okay, here's the back one finished. Still have the driver's side to do, but just give me enough room. And if I go bigger tires, I can always cut out the rest of the body. But I think the fender extensions opening is big enough. Here's the front. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so I got the fenders extensions finished, and then bought the Monster liner and painted the Jeep with it, and so here's how she turned out. Put some plate on the side to protect the sides a little bit. I don't know if I'll put some sliders on it or just rely on that, but change the doors out, put those on. I also welded on these brackets for my gas cans. Got the round LED lights placed in it instead of the factories. And then inside, since there's only going to be 2 of us in here, I put the spare tire mount here, and weight won't be on the back of it for what I'm going to use it for. So get the bikini top coming. Probably the only time I'll ever put the hard top back on it would be in the winter, but I do have 2 other Jeeps for the winter, so I'm not worried too much about that. I'll just store it. So anyway, next step, regearing, rebuild the transfer case, do the slip yoke, and of course new drive lines. Now that I got the shackle reverse removed and put them back on the way they're supposed to be, which I wanted for off-roading rather than smooth ride. So anyway, there's the gears and axle for the front, chrome moly shafts, and eliminate the vacuum diaphragm. So that's the next step. So, one piece at a time. Okay, fenders are finished. Got the monster liner on. Really like how it turned out. I got the fenders undercoated, at least the front. And I just got finished with the regear on the front axle from 355s to 456, plus the hardened axles. Eliminated the vacuum. New bearing hubs. You get that painted up. And liking how it turned out. Monster liner, big fan of it at the moment. We'll see how it holds up. Got the new bikini top on. And turned out good. Gas cans. The tires in here are just counterbalanced while I'm up on jacks, but there's where the spare wheel mount is there. So, lights. I've got the slip yoke eliminator ordered. And transfer case rebuild kit to come with it. So it's moving along. Right now I'm just waiting for the new rotors, brakes. So I'll get the winch mounted, do some touch-up paint on it, but we're getting there.